Chapter 29 The Burning of Lanka. Ravana's guards paraded the bound Vanara through the streets of Lanka. Hanuman's tail, a symbol of honor among the forest dwellers, was set alight at the command of the Demon King. Ravana's intention was to mock and humiliate the envoy of Ram, to make him an example to all those who would oppose his might. But instead of instilling despair, the fire ignited something far more dangerous: Hanuman's rage. The Vanara allowed the demon guards to drag him through the city. He had seen Lanka cloaked in moonlight. Now he studied its secrets in daylight. The people of Lanka reacted in many ways. Some stayed in silence, some laughed and threw insults. A few looked on with sympathy. While the guards jeered and prodded him with spears, Hanuman observed the streets, the positions of the garrisons, the structure of the palace, the barracks of Ravana's generals, the storehouses of weapons. He noted them all. Unknown to the Demon King, Hanuman was no ordinary Vanara. Like Ravana, Hanuman had the blessings of Lord Brahma. But in addition to this, he also had the blessings of a host of other gods. One of these gods was Agni, the Lord of Fire. Hanuman was blessed with immunity to flame, and as such, the blazing tail caused him no harm. Lord Brahma granted him invulnerability to his celestial weapons, which included the Brahmastra that now bound him. When Hanuman had seen enough, he let out a roar. In a single motion, he shattered the Brahmastra bindings. With the strength of the wind, he leapt high into the air, landing atop a towering building. With each leap from rooftop to rooftop, Hanuman's burning tail brushed against the structures. Flames leapt from wall to wall, catching quickly. He struck the armories, the homes of Ravana's advisors, and the palaces of his corrupt ministers. He targeted key installations, spreading fire like a divine reckoning. A gust of wind accelerated the flame, as if the gods themselves carried his fury forward. By evening, Lanka was a city ablaze. Gold ornaments melted and flowed down the marble steps like rivers of molten sunlight. Screams filled the air as both soldiers and citizens fled in terror. The sky turned crimson with smoke, and the gleaming capital of the Demon King was consumed in flame. Once Hanuman's rage had subsided, a chilling thought crossed his mind. Had his actions endangered Princess Sita? The Vanara raced to the Ashoka grove. There, beneath the protective branches of a flowering tree, he observed Sita, sitting in calm meditation, unharmed, untouched by the chaos. With relief, and with Lanka now dealt a devastating blow, Hanuman headed back towards the ocean. He put out the fire on his tail and leapt into the air to carry his message to Lord Ram. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.